You're going to want to do Polymarket stuff too as well, which is totally understandable. This is the best way that you do that. Don't just give it a wallet, give it $1,000 and say, hey, go trade markets and make me $1 billion. Train it, teach it, create a skill file, monitor it, give it input, feedback, everything. And then after maybe 3-4 days, you might have something that could actually make you money. MoonPay just dropped a skill that you could feed into your Claude code or into your Openclaw that allows you to do anything on chain with crypto. MoonPay is one of the biggest companies in crypto that allows you to buy crypto, USDC, Bitcoin, whatever, with your credit card, bank account, debit card, and then send it to other wallets. But now with their new CRMCLI that they just dropped, you can basically give the ability to do anything on chain to your Openclaws. So in this video, let's go over every single thing that you can do with this new MCP that they dropped and how it could benefit you as someone that's using Openclaw or Claude Code or Hermes Agent or whatever it is. So there's only one command here that you need to give into your Openclaw or Claude Code, and it'll download every single thing here and with all these capabilities. So you can see here, my Openclaw that runs on a Discord. If yours is on Telegram, it's the same thing. It doesn't really matter. But you can now create wallets. You can import private keys, you can check balances, export wallet data, swap, bridge, transfer. You can see all sorts of real-time token data. You can have fiat on-ramp and off-ramp. That is probably the craziest part here. You can do automation, stop losses. You can do Polymarket trading as well. And of course, you can export all this data. You can do it on Solana. That's probably the easiest, best way to do it. On ETH, Base, Polygon, Arbitrage, all these different chains that you can now control directly with your Claude Code or Openclaw. It now has access to digital money that it can do anything with as soon as you give it access. You might be thinking like this is a lot of stuff, but it's mostly a lot of hoopla. Like what can I actually do with these things? Let's go through two different things that I believe are actually beneficial for you to do here. Number one is anything to do with Polymarket. Polymarket is the number one thing that people have been trying to master through AI and Openclaw automations. I want to create a cron that you can run every 6 hours that goes through Polymarket and Kalshi and sees if there are any arbitrage opportunities in similar markets. So let's say there's a yes market on some trade for a politics thing and a yes market on the same thing on a different platform. I want you to find those opportunities, notify me, and then tell me if it's worth taking that trade. This is all you need to say. Make the skill even better and better and better. And eventually it should get to the point where it can get this to the point where you have to do less work. And even if you wanted to do the trade, it can do the trade for you. While Midir is cooking here, allow me to say that this video is sponsored. This is one of the first sponsors I've ever taken on this channel, especially in video form, especially on YouTube. And the reason why I did that is because I've known the MoonPay guys for years and years and years. I come from crypto, you know? Crypto in general doesn't have the best rap when it comes to AI stuff, but I think in the future it will, because crypto x AI is the best way to give your agents and Openclaws money to begin with. So it was an easy yes when they started doing these AI integrated stuff. If any given point in time you want to plug in prediction markets, USDC, money, meme coins, swapping anything into whatever it is that you're building, this is the best way for you to do that. So look at this. He's cooking. He's cooking. He's doing something. So you can see here, locked in. Here's what we built. Pulls 2,000 markets on Polymarket, 200 on Kalshi, matches top 8 across topic clusters, computes yes or no, estimates the EV after fees. Is it worth taking the trade? Let's fire this every single 6 hours. Right now, markets are tight, nothing above 4%, so it's not a good idea to do that. The best part about my Openclaw is that he is brutally honest. He said the arbitrage scanner is probably not profitable on day one. He's right. Until we train it like he's saying, you teaching me markets you understand, that sets me based on your edge. It's not arbitrage, assisted predictor market trading, which again is a very good idea. But here, all of it would be automated. So the way that I would do this isn't just here, go ahead, you have the skill now to do it, you can do it, just figure it out. You need to train him based on your knowledge. So let's say that you're really good at trading mention mark? Let's say you're really good at trading mention markets of Trump. You always know that he's going to say diaper. You always know what he's going to say, and you make a lot of money doing that. You can export whatever trades that you've already done from Polymarket or Kalshi, feed it into your Openclaw, create a skill file. In that skill file, it'll be like, here's why I did this trade. Here's why it ended up being profitable. Here's why I lost money on this. Keep that in mind next time you make a decision. All sorts of human input that you give it from information that you found or created, it will eventually create a skill file that's very, very similar to your brain process, and then it can automate this. So even what he's saying, full autonomy is after like 10 days of you teaching me how to trade these markets to begin with. And again, there's so many other things you can do with this MoonPay skill. I just think the most fun and most interesting is Polymarket. And I know you guys, I know my followers, I know my audience. You're going to want to do Polymarket stuff too as well, which is totally understandable. This is the best way that you do that. Don't just give it a wallet, give it $1,000 and say, hey, go trade markets and make me $1 billion. Train it, teach it, create a skill file, monitor it, give it input, feedback, everything, and then after maybe 3-4 days, you might have something that could actually make you money. So if you're someone that wants to integrate prediction markets or crypto into whatever it is that you're doing, this is the simplest, easiest way to give your Openclaw access to that. And in this video, we talked about how you could actually maybe become profitable doing that if you took the right steps to teach your Openclaw how to manage these skills instead of just giving it to them and going wild with it. So as per the only rule on this channel, if you learned anything at all, you must subscribe. If you did learn something, you must comment what you learned. And if you have any questions, you must comment that question so that I can answer it for you. Aside from that, thank you for watching.